Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be so much fun. I am excited. I have a unboxing for you and some modeling shots because I actually wore real clothes. Today, my family and I had a fabulous day. We went and watched a movie, which I would not recommend. It is called 65. Seems like a good idea, but when it went into action, it was not my favorite show in the whole wide world. There just wasn't much of a plot, to be honest with you. But it was fun to get out of the house and do something different. We haven't been to see a movie in quite some time. And then after that, we went to a Topgolf location and had dinner and played games as a family with some of our kids' friends as well. This is the bag that took the trip with me, and she did quite well. I might like this style in some ways better than the pink one, but I'm not sure. Both this and my pink medium Roman stud bag are extremely comfortable on the shoulder. That's how I wore this one today. I will say that you have to kind of watch out for how the handle rests because it will end up dimpling here and also here and here, and not just the handle but the chain as well. You can see there's a dent right there. And so what I was just trying to do is always put it in the same spot, so at least then the dents would just be in the back. I'm not really sure how to avoid that. I think that you could put the chain over the side and therefore keep the handle upright, and that might do the trick because then you wouldn't have both parts of the chain weighing down on this bit of leather. But what I think I'll do is I'll just kind of mold it back and take the chain off for when it's on the shelf and I'm not using it, and I think she'll be good to go for a long time. But today, rather than talking about Valentino, let's talk about Louis Vuitton. I have a Louis Vuitton unboxing, and the reason this is possible is because of all of you. I have been clearing out my closet, selling a lot of the items that I wasn't using because I'm a crazy bag lady and I collect and collect and collect, and then I trim down what I have to just keep what I love the most. And I'm so grateful to all of you who have purchased some of my beauties. And I hope that if you have a moment, you can share down in the comments how you feel about whatever it is that you got sent your way from me. Without further ado, let's get into this particular Louis Vuitton unboxing and see what I got, because we're gonna have some fun today. All right, let's go. So this box is about the size that a favorite MM would come in, or a Pochette accessoire, or probably a few other bags, but not a whole lot. So let's see what's in here. It is something small. And what it is another strap. So, okay guys, I said that the khaki strap for my multi-pochette accessoire is the one that I wanted because I felt like this one was maybe too in your face with saying Louis Vuitton, but I changed my mind. I had a friend send me pictures of hers and I realized it is really muted. You can tell just having it over my shoulder here. If you don't know what Louis Vuitton is, I don't think you would immediately think Louis Vuitton because you'd have to look a little close to be able to read it, because the lettering is much more subtle in person than it comes across on the Louis Vuitton website. If I get it up close, you can see it, but you can tell that it is subtle. So these straps on the resale market are selling for a whole lot of money, like $700. And I was able to pick this one up for closer to the $500 mark, which is still insane for a strap. But I have a specific use for this little beauty. Not only am I going to use her on my multi-pochette accessoire, but I want to use her on my favorite MM. And I'm super pumped to give her a try for the first time with this bag with you. So there it is. A lot of times the Damier Azur bags are lined in the pink color, but the favorite is lined in a beige color. So it actually matches the pinstripes on the strap really well. And the other thing that it matches really well is the vachetta on the sides. You'll notice that my favorite has a little bit more age to it because, or maybe not age, it has a little bit more sun exposure to it than that on the strap, but that's something that will even out over time. Let's go ahead, and I did put it on, I think, the wrong way. I like for my buckle and D-ring to be on the front of my body, and I like to wear my bags on the right side. So I had to switch it real quick. Today, I am wearing a lilac colored sweater and jeans, and I think that this strap is fabulous with the favorite MM. There's nothing in this bag right now because, like I said, I used my Niagara blue Roman stud bag today. But I do think she is so pretty with this pink strap. I have another strap coming that I think will look really cool with this particular bag. But for now, I'm super happy with this combo. I thought I would do a quick comparison with my Nanostore 2018 strap from Etsy and compare it to the Louis Vuitton strap. Quite some time ago, I did a video and I talked about the Nanostore 2018 straps being the best LV strap dupe ever, and I still think that they are awesome, but you will see the shade is quite different than the Louis Vuitton strap. I would say that the Louis Vuitton pink is more neutral than the Nanostore 2018 pink. I've showed you this part before. The vachetta bits on the Nanostore 2018 strap are longer. They're actually more similar to the Prada Re-Edition bandoliere strap. And then if you look at the clips, they are almost identical, except for the fact that the Nanostore 2018 does not say Louis Vuitton. And I'm happy about that because I don't want to buy any counterfeit merchandise from anyone. I feel like the stitching is of comparable quality right here where it folds over the buckle, and the D-rings themselves are slightly different in size. I think the Louis Vuitton one is a bit more substantial than the Nanostore 2018 one. There may be just slightly more double stitching on the Louis Vuitton version than the Nanostore 2018 version, but I think that they are pretty comparable in quality when it comes to that stitching. If you look at the straps themselves, the Louis Vuitton strap has a lot more texture than the Nanostore 2018, and it also feels substantially thicker. So this strap is a lighter weight material, and this one is just a little bit heavier. And that is the differences that I see between the two. One other thing to note is this strap is substantially shinier than this one. And I think that makes the Louis Vuitton that is printed on the strap less noticeable because it's not shining quite so much. Either strap though would look amazing with the Damier Azur canvas, and so I will probably still use them both. I'll use the Nanostore 2018 one if it's gonna rain maybe, although I'm not sure I would carry my favorite in the rain anyhow. But if there's a chance, maybe I'll take a chance because the only vachetta on this bag is right here and right here. And that's one of the things that's super nice about her, as well as my multi-pochette accessoire, because these are the only bits of vachetta on this bag. The difference is that these are front and center in the middle of the bag, and on the favorite, they're on the sides. So if you get a big drip of something here, it's going to be a lot more noticeable than it would be on the favorite MM. So now that I have both colors, which color do you like best? Are you team pink or rose, or are you the khaki clan? Which group are you part of? Pink or green? I mean, I've never understood why they say khaki when it's green, but I think that it might be something that came from abroad that here in the Midwest, I am just not educated enough to know. But I would say I like them both pretty equally. I do plan on spraying this strap. I've already sprayed this strap with Colonel Carbon Pro, but I'm going to spray this strap because since it's lighter in color, I think it'll show dirt much more easily than darker straps would. So I think that's all she wrote. Just a little bit more strap action from Erin, the handbag housewife. And if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.